Oconner Chrysler Show and Shine, July 21st, 2019. Got a 61 Falcon. Got a Gremlin. An Acadian Canzo. A Dodge truck. A 76 Hornet. Also got a 6-cylinder 258. I think the engine turned dash on it. Dodge Ram.
Yeah, well, no, it's fiberglass. It's fiber because it's fiberglass, right? It's not a
69 Charger. '71 Demon. Plymouth GTX. Super Commando V8 440. A Roadrunner 69. '69 Fairlane 500. Of course, you could get prices. Cars for this price now, 3736. '64 New Yorker. Has the push button transmission. Top car of the Chrysler line, New Yorker. Then we got a 57 Fairlane 500. And a 57 Rito 500. And a 56 Montclair Mercury. The Big M. And here is 67 Plymouth. Nice black with white interior.
90 cents a liter.
Yeah.
When you work it out, and at some points when I was in Montana, I think it worked out to about 7.
Wow. Yeah.
And
Even with the exchange.
yeah,
And even if you need a hotel, there's probably probably lots of little great places to eat and stuff.
Looks like about a 47 Plymouth. Well, 48, so it's close. With a flathead seats. Dodge Charger Hemi. Chevy Silverado. Dodge A100 5-window cab over pickup. 225 seats, free in the tree, completely restored to original. It's unique and rare. Here we have a Cobra. Have a Ford GT. And this is a Dodge SRT. What year is that one? 2014 Viper. Then we have a Ram 500 pickup. The band is over there playing, but they're taking a break right now. The radio station's got a tent set up. A little GTO. They've got a Beaumont 66. Nice white vinyl interior. Dodge GT. GTX Plymouth. And it's a 68. Barracuda. A Rambler American. Got a V6 in it. That is definitely not original. Dodge Swinger. A Dodge Charger. I think it's about a 78. A Fargo pickup. Doesn't got flash on it. Dodge Charger SRT. 66 Impala Super Sport. Got the more modern power plant in it. Aftermarket gauges and radio. Brake and gas pedals. But the rest of the interior kept to the original, but it looks like it's been redone. And I got the triple tail lights on it. Here we got a Dodge Dart.
That's where the real fun is.
And the band.